Good day guys. In this video we're going to be learning how to set up our Python environment and install Python. So first of all, I'm going to be going to python.org. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down to here where they wrote latest Python. Mind you, your own may be different. Ensure you download the latest. Then I'll now scroll down, and if you're using a Windows that has 32-bit, then you are going to want to install this. If you are using a Windows that has 64-bit, then you are going to want to install this. So you're going to click it, and the executable file will download once you click any of these links here. And please, I want you to take note that while installing, when you get to this place, ensure you check this checkbox called Add Python to Path. Ensure you check that box. So by the time you are done installing that, remember, if you are using the Windows with 64-bit, you install this, and if you are using a Windows with 32-bit, you will install this. If you are using a Mac, then you install this, and so on and so forth. All the links are available, as you can see. So when you are done installing your Python, then the next thing we need to install is our integrated development environment, our IDE. The one we are going to be using for this program is called Thonny. And I like Thonny because it's very simple, it's very light. Although most developers use let's say Anaconda or Visual Studio Code, and they use Anaconda because of Jupyter Notebook that it comes with. That Jupyter Notebook really helps your coding experience. But for this tutorial, we'll be dealing with Thonny since we are learning. So this is Thonny website, and these are some of the features. So if you are using a Windows, then you click this, and if you are using a Mac, you click this. As soon as you click, the executable file will download, and then you run the installation. So that's it about installing Python and working with Python. See you in the next lesson.